I got the Stag. And I don't know when this one was born because I've lost the label or I haven't stuck one on it. But it was last year when I got it. And it's hopefully I'm on this one as well. Remember, you can buy these off Edwina and Pete. You can also donate to the expedition happening. It's trying to raise £1,800, and that's if you donate more than £35, there's a signed lino print from the expedition. So that's good. So we're going to give this one another bang now. Do the fish leather skin. This is also giving me some exercise for my broken wrist because that's killing me. I'm going to do the other one. And finally, I'll do this one, the other one. Sound beautiful, don't they? I have a drum of these regularly just to remind me of the sound they make, and it's a pleasure sharing it with you today and yesterday and the day before and tomorrow. So I hope you're enjoying it. Don't forget you can follow Pete and Edwina's work on Facebook, socials. Also myself, Chris Can Animan, Chris Can, Mank Stuff, and all the other stuff that you can do that's fun to support people and artists. Keep going, enjoy your life, peace out.